Hello guys, in this video we are going to review the Zoopie Floss Oral Irrigator. So it comes in this box. I already unboxed it and reviewed it, tested it. So it comes with lots of different heads that you can use. So this is a normal one. There are bigger ones and smaller ones. And there is this one with this little soft head. There is also one with the brush head, and this head which goes on, and you can use this to clean your tongue. So you can charge it with a USB-A cable which connects to the machine. And now I'm going to show you the machine and explain to you my experience with it. So this is how it looks. You can fill it up on this side, so you don't have to remove the tank all the time. You just have to open this up, fill it and close it. And you can charge the battery here in the front by removing this little silicone insert, and you can charge it. And after that you have to always close it so it protects it from the water while you use it. The battery says that it should last for 60 days. I'm not sure about the 60, but it lasts for a long time. Although with the water you have to fill it up quite fast because it has huge pressure and it consumes the 200 milliliters of water quite fast, depending on your use case. You have a few settings. There is normal, soft, pulse, and custom setting. I would say the normal setting is quite strong. So if you are just starting using water flossing, I would suggest to use the soft because it can be quite harsh if you go on the normal mode. So to insert any shower heads, you just have to press this button and press the head in until it clicks, and then you can start using it. You have to press on this button, the on button, and it is going to start spraying. It depends on which setting you have it, and it is going to apply that setting. So you don't have to always change this. It is going to stay on that setting that you have already selected. So you don't have to mess with this after you have set it. For example, let's set it to soft. And then when you press this, it starts pumping. Obviously, I'm not trying to splash all over our office here, but this is how it works. I would say the quality is quite good, quite okay, and the price quality ratio is amazing. So yeah, I would recommend this product. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation. You can buy this product down below by tapping on the shop icon, and you can buy all different products, other products there, and with this you can support our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.